In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weight to a product in Shopify. Adding weight to your products is crucial, especially if you're using shipping rates based on weight. It's an essential detail to ensure accurate shipping costs for your customers. Let's dive into the process and make sure your Shopify store is set up correctly. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main hub where you'll manage your products, orders, and everything related to your store. So go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, look for the products section. Clicking here will take you to a list of all the products you've added to your store. Now that you're on the products page, find the product you'll be adding weight to. This list can be sorted and filtered if you have many items, making it easier to locate the one you're looking for. Click on the product name to open its settings. With the product page open, the next step is to ensure Shopify knows it's a tangible item. Near the top there should be an option to tick a box labeled "This is a physical product." By checking this box, you're telling Shopify that this product requires physical shipping, which enabling weight input. Once that's squared away, scroll down to the section that pertains to weight. This is usually found under shipping, or sometimes labeled differently based on your Shopify theme or setup. Here, you'll have the opportunity to enter how much the product weighs. Enter the weight accurately to ensure precise shipping calculations. It's also important to specify the unit of measurement. Next to the weight field, there'll typically be a drop-down menu defaulted to pounds, labeled as LB. However, if you use kilograms or another unit, you can select the appropriate option here. This flexibility helps accommodate diverse geographical preferences. All that's left now is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom right of the page. Click it and all your edits will be captured. This save prevents any loss of new data in case you navigate away from the page or decide to make further adjustments later. And there you have it. You've successfully added weight to your Shopify product. This adjustment is a small yet significant part of managing your online store efficiently, helping provide customers with accurate shipping costs and ultimately improving their shopping experience on your platform. If you follow these steps whenever you list a new product, you can be confident that your shipping setup will be as effective as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful Shopify tutorials.